Welcome to the complete overview of WhatsApp Chat Help for WordPress. In this video, I'll show you how to install the plugin and walk through all available features. Let's begin. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Chat Help. Click Install, then Activate. After activation, the plugin automatically redirects us to the floating chat settings page. At the top, you'll see multiple floating chat layout options. These include No Floating Chat, which disables the floating button; Single Form, this is selected by default. It opens a form before sending the message; Single Agent, this shows a chat bubble with an agent greeting message; Floating Button, this directly opens WhatsApp when clicked. Now let's quickly go through each layout. Single Form Layout. In the General tab, first we enter our WhatsApp number in international format. Next are the form fields. By default, there are name and message fields. You can add new fields, rearrange them, or remove them. Below that is the form message template. This is where you define how the final WhatsApp message will look. You can use dynamic variables like form fields, current page title, product name, and more. When a visitor submits the form, those variables automatically insert real data into the WhatsApp message. Next is Leads. This option must be enabled if you want to store form submissions inside WordPress. If enabled, every submission will appear in the Leads section. If disabled, the message still goes to WhatsApp, but nothing is stored in your dashboard. Below that is Availability. Here, you select your time zone and define working hours for each day of the week. Outside those hours, the chat can automatically hide. Next is Header and Footer. Here, you customize the chat box appearance. You can set agent name, subtitle, enable or disable GDPR, send button label, and other options for chat bubble header and footer based on your selected layout. This allows you to personalize the chat experience for your brand. Next is the Button tab. This section controls the floating button design. You can change button style, icon, size, colors, background, border, tooltip text, position on screen. You can also adjust margins for precise placement. Next is the Style tab. Here you control animation and appearance. You can enable or disable auto-open pop-up, choose bubble animation, customize primary and secondary colors, and adjust typography. Next is Visibility tab. This allows you to control where the chat appears. You can show it everywhere, desktop only, tablet only, mobile only. You can also choose specific pages to show or hide the bubble. Next is Backup. Here you can export your configuration settings. This is useful for migrating to another website. You can also import saved settings. Now let's look at the other floating layouts. Single Agent Layout. This layout shows a chat-style bubble. You enter your WhatsApp number or use a group link to let people join your WhatsApp group. Then define Message from Agent, this is the greeting shown inside the bubble, and Pre-filled Message, this is the message sent to WhatsApp when clicked. You can still control availability and appearance just like in Single Form. Floating Button Layout. This layout skips the form or chat bubble. Clicking the button immediately opens WhatsApp with your pre-filled message. You can fully customize the button design, size, icon, colors, and placement. Now let's look at Leads. When leads are enabled in Single Form, submissions appear in the Leads section. Here you can see name, message, date, IP address, device, and browser. This helps you track customer inquiries directly inside WordPress. Now let's move to WooCommerce integration. Under the WooCommerce tab, we have 4 sections: Shop page, Product page, Cart page, and Checkout page. On the Shop page, you can show a WhatsApp button inside product loops. On the Product page, you can display a button near the Add to Cart area. On the Cart page, you can add a WhatsApp button before checkout. On the Checkout page, you can display a contact option for customers who prefer to complete their purchase via WhatsApp. You can define custom pre-filled messages using dynamic product variables like product name, SKU, price, and stock status. This allows customers to easily order or ask questions directly via WhatsApp. Next is the shortcode section. Here, the plugin generates a shortcode that you can paste into any page, post, or page builder. This allows you to place a WhatsApp button anywhere on your website, not just as a floating element. Now let's open Settings. In Advanced Controls, you can choose to clean up plugin data upon deletion. In Analytics, you can enable Google Analytics tracking. When enabled, every WhatsApp click can be tracked as an event inside your Analytics dashboard. You can define the event name and parameters like number, title, and URL. Under Additional CSS and JS, you can add custom CSS or JavaScript for advanced customization. Finally, the Help section provides quick access to documentation and overview videos to guide you through the setup. Now with WhatsApp ChatHelp, you can add floating WhatsApp, collect user information before redirecting, store leads inside WordPress, integrate with WooCommerce, track clicks with analytics, customize full design and visibility, and place buttons anywhere using shortcodes. That's the complete overview of the WhatsApp ChatHelp free version. Now you're ready to configure it for your own website.